Are you a recent graduate looking to kickstart your career in tech? Stay tuned for an incredible opportunity. This global company is hiring associate software engineers for roles in cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and many more. Ready to take your first step? The role is Associate Software Engineer Packaged App Development Associate. This is your chance to work on exciting tech projects and deliver impactful solutions. Ideal candidate must have B.Tech, MCA, M.Tech, MSc, CAS, IT, Data Science. No active backlogs. Up to 23 months of experience and be open to relocating and working 24/7 shifts. Now in order to apply, visit Accenture Careers. Go to Job Search. Then Entry-Level Tech Careers. And finally you will see Application of Application Development Associate. The company offering this incredible opportunity. It's Accenture. Your chance to join a global leader in tech and innovation. Apply now and start your journey with Accenture. Please like and subscribe my channel for job updates. Thank you.